Hi everyone. So now let's talk about Lionsgate Portal. So there are some mysteries about Lionsgate Portal which I'm going to reveal right now. So what exactly is Lionsgate Portal and what happens during this great event? So so astronomically, the sun appears in the direction of the constellation Leo, and Sirius becomes visible before sunrise in many North Hemisphere locations. As it emerges from the sun's glare, the exact first visibility depends on your latitude and local viewing conditions. The number 8 by 8 is considered symbolically significant in numerology 8 August and 8 and 8 of August. 8 date and the month is 8th also August. While there are real, nothing is, these are not the scientific, this event is not scientifically proven. It is more of a spiritual and metaphysical event. And the new age, in the new age, and the new age mystics, which is my master class name. Okay, so the new age, in the new age, people who follow new age scenario, they focus on this event and they see that this event is larger than life event. Okay, now, so these dates are from July to 26. I've written down some notes which Mahabs have told me. So I will read them down and I will tell you how it is. So this event starts from July 26 and it goes to August 12th August in this year. Okay. Now it is at peak at on the date of 8th of August. The peak is on 8th of August. That's how it is. Now, how did it begin? So the goddess that is responsible, one of the goddess that is also responsible about the entire Lionsgate portal is goddess Sobdet, Sopdet. So goddess Sobdet, and the Egyptians name her gave her this name Sobdet, and the Greeks called her Sothis, Sothis, Sothis. The Greeks call her Sothis. So way back in fourth dimension Earth, when the Earth was in fourth dimension, in Egypt, during Egypt, when Egypt was thriving in fourth dimension, then this goddess was on, yes, this goddess was there in Egypt and she came from Sirius. So okay, during those ages, in that time of fourth dimension when Egypt was thriving, many people, many star people from different stars and planets used to come and visit Earth. And Egypt was the best place to be in because it was thriving. Okay. So she came from Sirius, and there are two Sirius stars. Sirius is in Canis Major constellation, and there are two stars in named Sirius A and Sirius B. Sirius A is twice as big as Sun, our Sun, and Sirius B is a called dwarf star, which is of the size of Earth, but it is very dense, very dense. Okay, now when goddess Sobdet came on earth or in Egypt, she told people that she is from Sirius, and there is a particular time where from earth you can see star Sirius. Okay, so and that happened to be in August and July and August. In these times earlier the calendar was very different, because but of course it's, I'm talking about thousands and thousands of years ago, the calendar was very different. Nowadays it's a modern calendar, and so earlier the calendar was different, but they knew when a star would be seen in the sky. Okay, so that's how it happened. So, and she told them that it is the auspicious time, and whatever you wish will become true. So basically, apart from everything that you hear about Stargate, Lionsgate, not Stargate, everything you hear about Lionsgate portal first thing, the major thing about this portal is this time frame is manifestation of your wishes and desires. So don't forget to, okay, how to manifest? That is also a good question. So, write down whatever your wishes and your needs or desires are, whatever your desires are, write down on a piece of paper, and then send those wishes and desires to heaven, not to universe, but to heaven. Heaven is the place from where your wishes are materialized in reality. Okay. So, heaven is the place where you have to send those wishes, and then you have to work hard to make those wishes a reality. Okay. You cannot just sit, okay, I've sent my wishes to heaven, now I have nothing to do. No, you have a lot to do. You have to work hard to make your wishes a reality, because on third dimension earth you have to work hard for manifestation. This is a problem over here. Sometimes by luck you may manifest something without working hard, but I'm dear people, I must say this to you. Don't wait for the universe to give you a gift without working hard, without you working hard. Don't wait for that. Work hard and manifest. This is the mantra of third third dimension. This is the mantra of today that I'm giving it to you. So this is how you manifest. Okay. So this was about Lions Gate Portal, and uh, I don't have anything else to say. The only thing that I can say is that manifest. Go and manifest. This is the right time to manifest. At 8th of August, you can manifest right now as well. But reiterate the same message, the same desire on 8th August, and at 8 p.m. maybe, and the entire 8th of August is auspicious. So because the energy manifestation energy is at peak, so manifest, go and manifest, and tell me later in the comments whether you got manifested. Okay, one more thing. When you manifest, don't give timelines. Don't give timelines as much as possible. Just say that I want. Yes, we are humans. We give timelines. But if you're giving timelines, then wait for some more time. If it doesn't happen in that timeline, so because uh, heaven works for you, but it also knows what is right for you and what is wrong for you. Okay, so always add for my highest good in your wishes. Okay, always add for my highest good. What if something you are demanding from the universe, I want a car, I want a Bentley. But what if universe is saying, don't take Bentley, take something else, take Thar, that is better for you in that sense. So when you are wishing, always add this clause, that PS, postscript, that universe, heaven, not even universe, heaven, give me this, but give me whatever is for my highest good. Add this for my highest good, and heaven will surprise you. Always ready for surprises. Be ready for surprises. So heaven will surprise you with something which is really, maybe it is greater than and grandeur than what you had expected. So wait for some time for this. So again, come next year on the same date, 8th of August 2027, on 8th of August, and see whether you have manifested that or not. Okay, so it's like a long term journey, long term plan, and short term also you can ask. So just wait and watch whether the thing has manifested in a small, in a little time, or it has taken 1 year or 2 year. I don't know. It is all about your wishes, whether they are small or grand. Okay, the grander the wishes, it will take some time. Okay, and you have to manifest, and you have to work hard also for this, but manifest also. And luck is at your side in these times, from 26th July to 12th of August, and 8th of August is the best time to, manifest. So luck is by your side. Ask, manifest. Okay, so now I will meet you in the next video, and it is bye from my side. I will meet you in the next video.